Welcome to my kitchen. It's time for Sugar Shack, and this is going to be my pasta mac and cheese Sugar Shack style. For this recipe, you will need onions, yellow and red, because that's what I have. You need also some mustard in powder, garlic, salt, and pepper. You also need milk and flour with butter to make a roux, because the sauce with mushrooms, pork rinds, maple syrup, chives, also ham and bacon and nice cheese with pasta. I'm using pennine instead of macaroni, so I like this pasta. So the first thing is to cook the bacon. So the bacon, I take it thick, but I cut it up small. So you want to make it a very good color, and then it's going to be their first step. Once this is done, we're going to add the onions and make them melt so they are coming tender. Now it's time to add the mushrooms. You can see now everything melt and have a nice color. I'm going to add the ham, which is all cut in dice, small dices. And now our Quebec touch, the maple syrup. And now it's the time of the year for that, so it's very good in everything. This is garlic that I like to buy already chopped, but you can use fresh garlic that you can chop. And we're going to add some butter to start the sauce. So once the butter has melted, here I'm going to add my mustard powder. Just give it a little kick in the sauce. And now I'm adding the flour to make a roux, to make a nice sauce. So it's important when you do the flour that you cook it at least a couple minutes, so it doesn't have a flour taste. The flour needs to be cooked before you add the milk. So now we're gonna add the milk, and this is going to make a nice sauce. I did not put all milk one shot. I put a half. I'm gonna put the second half after, because you don't want to make any bumps. So you can see the sauce is very smooth. Time to add the pepper and a little bit of salt. Not put too much salt because the bacon is already salty, as well as the ham, in fact. So here, go to your judgment, but I want a sauce, because I'm gonna be adding cheese. I want a sauce that is a little bit thick, but not too much. So as you can see, it's lightly thick. Time to add this nice cheese. This is a mix of the 3 cheddar cheese from Perron. It's here in Quebec. So this is we make a lot of good cheese here. I can tell you. So I put half of the cheese so it's more easy to melt. And then I put my second half now. Look how beautiful the sauce is going to be. Now the sauce is almost ready. So you see how it's rich, how it's thick, and full of good ingredients. Smells so good, and it's gonna be very, very good. This is my touch to put crispy pork rinds. So they're already done, already cooked. I just need to reheat them 5 minutes. Time to assemble our nice pasta with this beautiful sauce. As I was saying, I'm using pennine because I like this pasta with this type sauce, but you can use macaroni if you want. And I'm adding a little bit of chives to give it a little good onion taste, and it makes a little nice addition of color too. So now I'm gonna be tasting because I've been preparing this for a little while and I want to know if my recipe is very good, but I'm pretty sure. Yes. This is so good and you have no idea. The sauce is very rich and I'm going to put the toppings of the pork rinds on top of my mac and cheese and serve this with broccoli and it makes an excellent dish. And for this period of the year, it's Sugar Shack time. So I hope you enjoyed this video that you will try it at home and I will see you in another video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.